Hello, my dear kids. Welcome to our channel School to Prosper. Today, we're going to learn some basic grammar topics. On part 1 video, we discussed basic grammar topics, alphabet, consonants and vowels, singular and plural, naming words, and the articles. And today, on grammar part 2, we will discuss with word, noun, verb, and sentence. Let's start with the term word. Word is a basic meaningful unit of a language. It's a single unit of language that means something and can be spoken and written. Example: lion, crow, play, swim. Next is noun. Noun is a word that names a person, place, or thing. Example of noun: Draupadi Murmu, school, fish, New Delhi, table. Verb. Verb is a word that indicates a physical action, a mental action, or a state of being. Example of physical action: eat, climb, run, play. Example of mental action: think, remember, believe, learn. Example of state of being: his friend seems nice. You look unhappy. Sentence. Sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. When we write a sentence, it starts with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. A sentence has two parts: subject and predicate. For example, Sethu is walking slowly. In this sentence, Sethu is subject and is walking slowly predicate. And subject will be a person or a thing. And predicate is a word or group of words that tells what the subject is doing or state of subject. For example, Umesh is singing. My dear friends, that's all for today. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.